Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how you can measure the distance from a cable to a nearby object, such as a building. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place down a span, and then I'm going to click on the span and define it as a 4 cable arrangement. After that is done, what I'll do is I'll click the obstruction tool and place a block nearby representing a building. And I'm just going to modify the corners just so it is a bit closer. Now I'm also going to put down other objects nearby. So for example, I'm going to put down a survey point. And I'm going to turn this survey point into a vegetation type. And I'm going to increase the Z dimension so it's in the air. This is going to represent one survey point, but you can also imagine that this is a LIDAR point that's coming from a LIDAR file. Now the blowout is automatically calculated for you in Neara, and what it does is it look at your different weather cases. So for example, everyday, maximum wind, etc., which is a combination of wind pressures, ice and snow densities, and other load factors and temperatures. So what I'll do now is I'll select my clearance tool, which is this one down here, the clearance measurement tool, and it will show all these dotted lines, trace lines, for the blowout and sag conditions that I've set up. Now, looking at my properties tab on the right, you can see that when I click on one of these lines, say for example this furthest blowout line, it will tell me what environment I've selected, maximum wind, and which wind direction, max wind A. Now you'll see that once I've clicked on that, and I move my mouse around the object, or the span, a measurement will be calculated, and I can select nearby objects to get that calculation of the distance between the 2 points. So it will actually show me the minimum distance between that span blowout and my survey point, for example, or if I select the other side, that span blowout and a nearby building. So that is how you check the blowout and the distance between a cable and a nearby object.